Hello viewers, welcome to Garage Lab. We will discuss about our new product, WP Store Locator. It's a IoT enabled product to reach the nearest stores using Google Map or normal drop down list. You can find the list in the shop area. The full description is listed here. It displays all the nearest stores using a shortcode. You can use this shortcode into any page, post, custom post in your WordPress or WooCommerce plugin. You can view the full description in this page. This plugin is fully configurable. You can add any kind of country. It's mobile friendly, translation supported, and you can use custom font, custom marker, and lots of other features available here. You can easily see those features into the product detail page. You can import a CSV or Excel file. It supports a huge amount of Excel files, so you can upload big Excel file into this plugin. So let's jump into a quick demonstration of our plugin. After installation, you will see the WP Store Locator in the left column. The installation process is same as other plugin. The list page displays all the listed stores that are currently available. So it has all the pagination and other search features. You can upload Excel or CSV or XLS files using this upload area. It supports large Excel files, so you can upload them pretty smoothly. If you want to add manual stores, you can add it using this form. The new store form has all the fields. You can add those fields into these areas. You can apply discount if you like. It has open hours and email, latitude, longitude, address, state, country, rating, and other categories. Let's see the shortcode that we will use to view the store locator. We created a page. Let's go to the edit area. The shortcode is WPSL underscore homepage. Use this shortcode to display the store locator into any kind of page or post in your WordPress or WooCommerce. Let's see the page. Here is the page. So it displays the start of the store locator. So if you agree with the terms and condition, and we have the Google Captcha enabled store locator, so you can always verify that the real people are using your store. When you view the store, this displays the store information using your nearest locations. Okay, so according to your nearest location, it will display the stores available here. It displays address, open hours, ratings, and other categories into the list. If you click the discount, you will get the discount list also. So here are the full list. We hope you will enjoy this plugin, and we also have other plugins available into our store. So always be with Garage Lab to get latest updates. And here you see that it has all the features available, so just feel free to use this plugin. Thanks for now. Bye.